Stop using Mac keyboard option as a modifier to character. I don't like to use the feature in Mac keyboard that replace option plus A with A ring. For example, imagine I want to quickly press the button REPL on AMP, ASOL and NetBeans. How can I have Mac stop do such thing? Edited. My question arose out of this situation. I used replace functionality in NetBeans. When I'm at the replace text box, I'm typing something. When I'm done, I invoke the replace all button by press option plus A in the keyboard. NetBeans understand it as it perform replace all features. However, right before that, the A ring character, as a result of pressing option plus A, is appended to the replacement, make such process incorrect. I don't need to type a special character right now, so I want to stop it. Wouldn't it be more sensible if such feature can be turned on/off with another shortcut key?
The Alt key on the Macintosh is primarily used for international character keyboard mapping. This is a much more sane and reasonable approach to extended characters than Windows Alt numpad tricks. Because of this, it is not typically used alone as a keyboard shortcut key, except with function keys, although it is used in some shortcuts in conjunction with Command and Control. Keyboard remapping can be done with a utility called ukulele. This URL. However, this won't help you, since you are expecting the Alt key to act like a shortcut, Command/Control, key. There is a free utility that lets you swap around modifier keys, if their placement is unfamiliar to you. This URL. Here's the NetBeans article explaining MacOS X keyboard shortcuts, and how to adjust either the NetBeans shortcuts or the Mac OS X shortcuts. This URL. Edit. Solution for button shortcuts in NetBeans dialog boxes. Okay, so the NetBeans IDE is a braindead cross-platform Java application. Ensure you don't have a text field highlighted before using the Alt key button shortcuts. This can be quickly accomplished by hitting Tab or Shift Tab.
I have a much better solution than creating own custom keyboards. Just use the Unicode hex input source. It's the regular QWERTY minus all this weird stuff on the button. Not sure which OS version it is available from though. If you have any information about this, feel free to edit it into the answer.
The question also appears here on Stack Overflow, this URL. On that question, I found Dan's answer to go to wordherd.com and generate a keyboard map without the option key shortcuts to be the quickest and easiest solution. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.